going to be taking a look at Rene of Paris's JOSS, which I'm wearing here. We're comparing it to Rene of Paris's JOSLIN. I don't think it's a mistake that they're so similar in name. This JOSS that I'm wearing here is in the color Spring Honey. I got this on clearance at WIG Studio One. Be sure to check out the clearance section of WIG Studio One. There's some amazing finds in there, anywhere between 40 to 70% off in a lot of cases. Plus, she does drip pricing where if it doesn't sell for a while, it'll automatically reduce in price until it's sold. There's so many great options. So check it out. I'll leave all of the links to the featured styles and a WIG Studio One clearance below in the description box. You actually may remember my original review of JOSS in the color White Rose Blonde. Layers and layers and layers, guys. And you want to shake this one out really well to wake up this layering. This is not meant to have a flat profile. And there is some height and volume on JOSS, but for the most part, it's big, it's kind of fluffy, and it's very, very textured. So you're getting that wispy look, even though you're getting some visual volume as well. It just looks windswept, doesn't it? Now, JOSS is made from the heat-friendly fiber, okay? Heat-friendly synthetic, but the JOSLIN that I'm gonna be showing you next is made from regular synthetic. JOSS is about 4.5 inches there at the front. And JOSS gives you that beautiful angular look from the side, a little bit of beveling there, where that 7-inch crown piece then boils down into a 3-inch nape. The coverage is spectacular. So this is a machine-made cap, so there's no lace, no monofilament on this style. This keeps the price point down. This is a really affordable style. Again, be sure to check it out in the links that I've provided below. There's about $100 difference in retail price between JOSS and JOSLIN. Let's find out why. So here's JOSLIN in the color Champagne R. JOSLIN is in the Alexander Turnbull collection. From Rene of Paris is a short little shag style cut, similar layering as the one that we just featured, which is JOSS, but the difference is some curl. So this isn't exactly defined curl, it's more of a gentle under wave in certain places. I have seen a lot of variants on this style. I fell in love with it for the wave, because when you combine a shag with some wave, you're gonna get some volume, but it's still the perfect amount of volume for a style like this. Now the difference and what justifies the markup in price is the fact that JOSLIN has a lace front. This is lace front and then just open cap. Open wefts on the top, sides, and back with a full temple to temple lace front. I think the lace front is done very well. And it allows me to style it away from the face, perhaps even a little more easily compared it to the JOSS. They both weigh about the same and they both have very similar densities. It was just a nice average density. So let's take a look at these side by side and you can decide if this one is for you. Everybody have a great day. Thanks for joining me here at TAZSWICCLOSET.